Welcome back to the workshop. This is actually the last time you and I will be in this workshop. We are leaving Eastern North Carolina and moving to a new place. There's a hint. This workshop has worked well. I've built several different things, the apothecary, this workbench, the Dutch chest storage system, and many other things. In fact, my woodworking started here in this workshop. In the new place, there will be a somewhat larger workshop, so this channel will continue. We will continue working on Puzzle Box 5 and some of the other puzzle cabinets and DIY and workshop solutions, so nothing changes there. We'll just be in a new space. The new garage is slightly longer than the current garage, this one here, and so I'll be able to have my workshop set up permanently and have a car in place or not have a car in place. We'll be in a place where the humidity is not so high, so I can actually keep the Dutch chest and will keep the Dutch chest in the garage all the time. This moving it back and forth is getting old as I am getting old. And so the Cobalt workbench will be there, the Bork's Pegasus. That thing in the back, if you've seen the Allied work table, that might go away. I don't know. The idea of moving that thing across country is not interesting. So it might be there, it may not, who knows. But we will have some new workshop opportunities. There will be some additional spaces that I'll feature at some point in the future. And projects will continue. I started Puzzle Box 5, and we're going to continue working on that in the new place. Look forward to checking those out, possibly in December or early next year. I thank you to all the people who have subscribed and to watch these videos, and that content will continue in our new home. So for now, this was my workshop.